Hey, what is up? Today we're going to be unboxing the new 2019 MacBook Pro 13-inch with 1.4 gigahertz i5 quad core with also 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Now I picked this up today, reason being because I had to get a new laptop because my other one's a little bit too slow and I can't really do the work I really want to do, and just for portability it's just so much easier getting a nice new laptop, even though for me it was also expensive. But other than that, I will unbox this and get on with the video for you guys. And just to keep in mind, this is my first ever Apple product I've owned. I never owned an iPad, iMac, MacBook, iPhone. This is the first time. It's scary for me. I'm a Windows man and an Android man. I'm not an Apple man. Other than that, we'll get into it. Now, as you can see, we have a MacBook, and if you turn it over, you can clearly see that it's a 13-inch 1.4 quad-core i5 processor with 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage with the touch bar, and it's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so thank God for that. So, please keep in mind, I am unboxing this with one hand, so it's a bit hard for me. So, grab my knife, just... Oh my God, that is real. Now, I'm just gonna place you guys down. Alright, so I got 95% off, and this is the last 5%. So if we just... There it is. Now, I have gotten it in space gray, which I preferred space gray over the white. And just lift up with all the components inside. So for now, we'll just set the laptop aside, just over there. And here we have the USB Type-C cable. Thank God I moved to USB Type-C. And put that aside. You've got the instruction manual. It sure comes with warranty and all that. And here we have the first ever, for me, Apple charging case. And with that, there's nothing else in the box, so I'm just gonna laptop itself. And if we just unwrap it, here it is. So I'm just gonna open it. Looks lovely. Take this off. Ta-da! Now, I need to set this up, and you guys can set up with me. Here we go. So as you can see it, yes, I do want that in English. I live in Australia. Alright, so that is that. Just say continue. Fresh system. I will do this now. After I've done this, to say agree. Agree. After we've done that, we're just setting the iCloud. Here I've just disabled Siri. Install all my stuff on iCloud. Sure. Now over here we have a little scanner thing. And that is done. I will set it up later. Of course I want dark theme because it looks easier on the eyeballs. Just say continue. Setting up my Mac, and here we go. And there we have it. There's the new MacBook I have just picked up. If you all enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, shout around. On that, see you guys in the next one. Next video coming up soon. This is Brandon from Blaze Tech. I'm out. See you. And if you want to pick up this, links in the description. Helps me out. On that, thank you.